Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry I'm not here with you today. I'm on a field trip doing some community service. I will be back tomorrow, though. So, today we are starting to wrap up Romeo and Juliet here in Unit 3, the issues of communication in society. So, we read Act 5 yesterday. After you watch this video, I do have a second video, whoever's playing this, if you don't mind playing. It's another Crash Course one, which I know you don't love, but John Green does a good analysis of the play, and I think that he will help you make sense of the themes, messages, characters, conflicts, etc. So you can watch that. Please watch that after this. All right, and then your last assignment. There's a spot for you to do this in the packet, but ultimately I would like you to post here in the online discussion as well. So what I want you to do, this is an activity called Save the Last Word. You're going to save the last word for yourself, you'll see. So you're going to think about a theme from the play. A theme is a message about life that the author has for us. What is something that we are supposed to take away from the play? And we should be able to apply it to our lives. So we learn it from the play, but it's not like, make sure your family doesn't have a feud. Like, that's a little bit too specific and it's hard to relate to us. So we learn it from the play, but we should be able to apply it to our lives. So here's the spot in the packet. So you're going to think of a theme that Shakespeare has for us. What are we supposed to take away from the story? You can think about the feud and the characters and the friendships and obviously the love and the honesty and all of the things that Shakespeare touches upon. Like, what are we supposed to learn about that thing, about that idea, that big idea? That's a theme. Theme and a quote from the play that helps support the theme, that helps to prove that that's what Shakespeare was trying to say or show us. So you're going to figure out both of those things, a theme and a quote. And then what you're going to post in the discussion, so you'll go down to Act 5. Act 4, Act 5. Hit reply to me here in Act 5. And you're going to include your quote. Always include the page number if possible. You can explain it slightly, but don't give away your theme, because everyone else is supposed to guess what your theme is. Here, okay, so you post your quote and a slight explanation, and then when everyone's posted, you will reply to at least 2 of your classmates to guess their theme. So then you're replying not to the overall thread, not to me, but to your peers. So you're guessing themes for 2 different classmates. So once everyone has posted their quote and explanation and guessed, you will edit your original post. This is why it's save the last word. You save the last word for yourself. So you edit your original post and say what your theme actually was. If you run out of time to do that today, we'll do it tomorrow. That's fine. But if everyone comments, then you would edit your post and add your actual theme. So make sure it's super clear what your theme actually was. I'm not saying that these are real. I'm trying not to give you actual themes so that you can just use. I'm just giving you examples of like what themes could look like. All right, so then that's what it'll look like. I have my quote, my explanation, other people pretend like that's someone else, guessed my theme, and then I added what my actual theme was. So that's what I would like you to do. That's the activity for Act 5. Once you've done that, that will lead you to our final assignment for Romeo and Juliet, which is your open-ended for Unit 3. This is one of 2 open-ended responses that will go into your Quarter 4 grade. My prompt for you is based on the beginning of Act 4, which you read 2 days ago in small groups when Juliet goes to see Friar Lawrence in his cell and asks for help, begs for help. How does Shakespeare's portrayal of Juliet's state of mind advance the plot and aid in development of an overall theme at the beginning of that scene? Use at least 2 specific examples from the play. I'm not going to count your characters, but it should be like a paragraph. All right, so again, how does Shakespeare's portrayal of Juliet's state of mind advance the plot and aid in development of a theme overall in the entire play? So that's what you'll eventually figure out. All right, so that is what I would like you to do today. If you want to act out part of Romeo and Juliet, you will get extra credit for doing that. You could record it and submit a video to me. You could do that individually, just like one speech, like 10 lines or so. Or you could act out a part of a scene in a group. But if you want to do that and send me a video, that'll be extra credit. And then today is the end of marking period 3. So submit anything you're missing for me online. Or if you do have paper copies, you can show me tomorrow. All right, thank you. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you tomorrow.